as it is a hard and strong, as we have already mentioned. All the surfaces of high density board fiber board should be finished well, and the core should never be left exposed, as given little moisture that enters will cause it to swell, like this one. Kitchen cabinet. HDF fiber board like MDF is a good choice for the core of kitchen cabinet. When finished well with no export surface, it stands up well to change in heat and is able to withstand humidity. So in kitchen design, we can choose MDF board will be good. Shutters of the high density wood fiber board, yeah, popularly finished with decorative membranes, matte or glossy laminate, and edge band tape. Membranes is a very thin foil that is hot pressed onto all the surface of the shutters, creating a completely sealed and seamless finish that is durable and aesthetics. HDF wardrobe. HDF plywood is also good choice for the framework boxes. Boxes, shutters, and internal shelf of fitted wardrobe. Similar to kitchen cabinet, the high density wood fiber board shutters can be finished in many differences way to give a traditional, classic, or contemporary appearance. So HDF plywood shutters can also be fitted to enhance the space and make it look large visually, like this one. So every doubts will clear on theory part. So in wardrobe design, what types of board we can choose? In kitchen design, what types of board we can choose? Every points will clear easily. Wall paneling. Veneered and grooved high density fiberboard panels can be used to create decorative wall paneling. They can be used as backing for wall murals, yeah, in particles walls. Premium HDF is very dense and has acoustic soundproofing properties. So making it the deal choice for material for use in home theaters and music rooms, like this one. HDF for wall shelf will be good. Open shelf in the kitchens, your living room, bookshelf in reading rooms, your shelves in laundry, your utility areas can all be crafted out of the high density fiber board. As this board is stronger and denser than MDF. Also, like this one example. So this is very important part. Also, it's a base of the material that we use in the section part. In section detail of the interior, we mention the board details. Like in wardrobe, we are using a 18 board. Yeah, we are using a 12 board, and what types of board we are using and detailed in the section. So it is very important to know the all types of boards informations, right? Again, also there are different types of sheet. Example, so in interior and exterior, we use the wooden cladding, and this part is called a louvers, right? Also, it's an example like this one. So in exterior design, we are finishing our wall with wooden cladding. Okay, so what types of wood we have used in walls, materials, name, and all detail of that material is important to mention in the section part also. So before mentioning in the details, so it's important to know the properties of that part. Like we are using a material The name of the material is 787 and the name is zebra wood. So with the help of the catalogs that we can purchase easily from the market and we can use in our project easily. The different types of material knowledge is important before working on our project. So also there are different types of boards with name, right? So the name is important and the code is important and also reference image is important for our project. That the reference image we mention in our project as a detail. So before working on the interior, theoretical part is very important. Without theory, it's difficult to mention the material of the furniture items. Yeah, also it's difficult to mention the elevation detail without types of material and color informations. Like example, this one is exterior design. So in exterior design, the walls has finished with the deco walnut light brown, and the code is 3419, right? So this one the example. So also there are so many types of catalogs. I show the example. So this one is louvers, charcoal louvers. This one is charcoal louvers. This is an example. This is a model number one. Louvers in the market is available with the standard sizes. A one piece louvers model size is available in the market. Height is 12 mm, width is 122 mm, length is 2900 mm. And these are the examples of louvers, decorative louvers that we can use in a bedroom wall, drawing room wall, study room also. So the name is important, thickness, width, and height is important, right? Drawing room wall, it's an example image. Also, we can use on a study, yeah, TV unit area. This one is bedroom. So also we can use charcoal louvers in bedroom area. Cheap and best material in interior design, right? Also, we can use this material in office designs, right? These are all the examples. This one. This one is charcoal sheet. Charcoal sheet thickness is very thinner, like zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.2 mm, and it's pasted on the plywood for finishing. So there are so many different types of charcoal sheet with designs also, like plaster finish, stone finish, metal finish, glass finish. There are so many categories like this one. Bedroom wall, drawing room wall, study room. Also, we can use charcoal sheet in furniture surfaces like wardrobe, shutters, and drawers. Also, we can paste it in TV unit cabinets. Charcoal sheet, yeah, charcoal louvers, right? So I show you some example of the. This one is the material louvers. This one is called a louvers. The standard thickness is 15 mm. So also with wooden finish, fluted panels, louvers like this one. It's example, right? It's a example for interior design purpose. Exterior wall finished with wooden cladding, like this. Ceiling finished with wooden. Louvers. Wall finished with louvers. Right? Also, there are different types of laminate. So it's example image and laminate designs with code and name. Every designer has own book of the color combinations and different types of materials. Laminate we can use in kitchen area like this one with wooden finish, with paint finish, simple paint finish. Also we can use in offices, drawing room, study room, children room, bedroom also. Right? So material information is very important in interior design. Without material, it's difficult to work in the interior part. Right? Like example, also this one is laminate finish. So it's an example that laminate is pasted on the wall, study room wall, like this one. Wardrobe also in bedroom.